Hello everyone. Today we will submit a form data, HTML form data, and then we will get it in Google Sheet. So this is my website, and this is my inquiry form. So I want this data into my Google Sheet. So for it, I have to log in my Google Sheet forms. This is new Google form sheet. I have to give it a name, inquiry. I will put fields, same field that has in my HTML form. I have name field, I have email field, I have a description field. I will put same name that I am using for Google Sheet and in HTML form. Both have equal and same values. Click on extension app script, so it will give you access to get data to Google Sheet. This is a dummy function. I will replace it with my own and make sure the name of sheet 1 should be your sheet name, and I will paste here. Make sure the project name same as you have in Google Sheet. After this, I will check it is it's working or not. I will check execution log. It will take little time. Okay, it will require some permissions, so I will give them all permissions to access this form data. Go to inquiry unsafe and then allow it for get your data. Okay, execution complete. Now I will deploy this form, new deployment, and then I will select type. The type should be web app. Okay, the type should be web app, and then description, you can give it your own name. For this inquiry form, I will give access who has access, anyone access this form, and then click on deploy button. It will take little time, and then this is my web URL. I will use this URL into Google form and in my HTML form. Okay, these are fields. These fields should be same: name, email, and description should be same. Okay, then the method of my form should be post and action the web app URL. So click on save. Now we will check it, we are getting data or not. Just refresh your page and then submit a form. I will fill some dummy data, and then after filling a form, I will click on send inquiry button. After click on send inquiry button, it will redirect to a success page, and then form will get new data. So you can get all the data or in HTML using all HTML forms separately, but make sure the fields should be same. Now this is my JavaScript code to redirect on my same URL. I will now yes, I don't want to send here, I want to redirect back to my website, so I will paste it after my form. This is a JavaScript script, and then make sure your script URL should be same that you insert in action form. Yes, action form that you get from web app. So after saving this form, after saving this page, I will retry a form again and will check it will redirect to my same website and form filled successfully or not. We will see here new data. Okay, after send inquiry button, submit on send inquiry button, this is my message that I wrote on my script. You can see here it redirect on same website and get that. Yeah. Thank you very much. Hope you understand and implement it successfully. Best of luck.